Access Control, Gulfgate, Texas. Need an access control firm in the Gulfgate, Texas area? Please allow us to assist you. Nexlar's forte is in automated security gate systems and access management. If you're in Gulfgate, Texas, we can help you out. In order to increase the safety of your Gulfgate, Florida, place of business, a physical access control system is an excellent choice. If you have experience with lock hardware, you can make sure that your business has the most effective system installed. Our systems are both simple to operate and manage and offer top-tier protection for your building. Contact Nexlar Security right away if you need an all-encompassing safety plan. As a commercial security provider, we have a variety of options to meet the requirements of businesses of varying sizes. When it comes to door and gate security, we've got you covered. Another option is to remove any card readers or keypads that restrict access to the area. Card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks, we work with them all. If you're interested in access control, contact us today to set up a free on-site quote. The time to call is now. 281-407-0768. For more information, please check out https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation/Gulfgate access control.